Hello everyone. On this video, let's see how you can discover if our system has an active diagnostics, like an integrated I/O diagnostics. So I'm logged into my physical PLC for the moment, and here on my program, I've set an analog input to work with current 4 to 20 milliamps. But I don't have a physical instrument attached to this analog input, so this condition will generate integrated I/O diagnostics, because my analog input is 4 to 20 milliamps, but as I don't have an instrument attached to this analog input, it will have 0 milliamps on my analog input, and this will generate an open loop diagnostics. So to check for this diagnostics, we can go to the System Diagnostics GVL, which is under the System GVLs folder. Here you have the general diagnostics for your PLC and the communication drivers. So let's expand the DG XP340. This is a structure which you can see the summarized diagnostics or the detailed ones. Let's expand the summarized. And you can see here that I have a variable called bIntegratedO diagnostics, which has the true value. This means I have an active diagnostics on my integrated I/O. I don't know which integrated I/O this diagnostics is referring to, but I know that there's an active diagnostics based on my integrated I/O. So if I want to discover what integrated I/O is causing the diagnostics, I need to go to the detailed variable. So I can expand the detail variable. I know that this is a diagnostics based on my integrated I/O. So I can go to the integrated I/O variable and expand this. Here you can have diagnostics for your analog inputs or analog outputs and or RTD inputs. Your digitals will not generate any diagnostics, only our analog inputs and outputs. Okay, so now let's expand our analog inputs. And here I have my 5 analog inputs: AI0, AI1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I go right on my analog input 0, you see here that I have an open loop variable which has a true state, meaning that this analog input is has an open loop, which we know because we configured this analog input to work as 4 to 20 milliamps, and I don't have an actually instrument attached to this analog input. Just to check if my other analog inputs don't have the same condition, you can see here that all of them are not enabled. So AI1, AI2, AI3, and 4. These are not the ones that are causing me the diagnostics because they are not even enabled. So you can see here that I have my open loop. And if I want to use this on my program to trigger something on my HMI or even my PLC program, I can use this variable.